Okay, we're back with the video on the cone surface area and volume. So I've got my cone drawn here just like the one you have in your notes page that I shared on the Google Classroom. We have 3 dimensions in a cone that we need to know about. We need to know about the radius of the circle, that is the base. We need to know the height or the altitude, which is top to bottom straight down, how tall is the cone. And then we need the slant height, just like we did on pyramid, which is the slanted distance from the outside of the circle to the tip. So these are the 3 values that we're going to use. And the way we're going to do surface area, first of all, is we need to find the area of the circle because that's the base and that's part of the surface area. So the base area is really just going to be pi r squared, just like we do with the area of a circle. So we go here and we do pi, and we have an r of 6, so we do 6 squared. And so we get a base area, erase that right there, base area of 36 pi inches squared. So let's save that right there. That's the first thing we need. That's part of the total surface area. That's just the area of the circular base. The formula for the lateral area, the surface of the cone that's slanted, that whole surface, is going to be really actually pretty straightforward formula. It's the lateral area is equal to pi times r times L, slant height. So let's put in all of our numbers into that. We have pi times 6 times 15. And so let's work that out. Let me grab a calculator and do 6 times 15. Remember, I'm not doing anything with pi. I'm leaving that alone. So I get 90. 90 pi inches squared. That's my lateral area. Now I know that surface area is just going to be lateral plus base area. We already have those values. We have lateral area is 90 and base area is 36. I'm just going to add those together right here and just go ahead and write our answer. It's 126 inches squared. That's my surface area. So that's the answer for the final answer for surface area. And I went off the page a little bit. Sorry about that. Let me go down here. All right. So that's my surface area. I'm going to cordon off this. And I think we can do our volume over here. So the formula for volume is also pretty straightforward. It's the volume equals 1/3 base times height. Should be familiar to you. That's the same formula we had for the pyramid. So 1/3 times the base, which is 36 pi, times the height, which is 12. And we're going to type that into our calculator, and that will be the answer for the volume. So let me do 36 times 12 times 1/3. Make sure you put a parentheses around the 1 and the 3 when you do 1/3. 1 divided by 3 times 36 times 12. And I get 144 pi inches squared. That's the answer for volume. This is a shorter video. I know I'm moving a little bit faster, but I think you guys, if you've watched these videos in order, you should be getting the hang of doing this. You can see it takes a lot of work. So I just want to encourage you to have a separate sheet of paper, get organized, figure out a way that works for you. As always, you can contact me through Google Classroom or email if you need to ask questions, or if you want to see more examples, or if you just want to chat. So talk to you guys soon, hopefully. One more video after this, and then we're done with this unit.